Hello there, it's Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage, and it's time again for the three big things you need to know. It's Friday the 23rd, and here's the big things in the news right now. When it comes to real estate and the mortgage news, I always want to make sure that my clients and my real estate agents are completely up to speed on what's going on in the industry. So first of all, interest rates. What's going on with interest rates right now? Well, you can see the stock market's taking some pretty serious hits. And when the stock market is doing poorly, generally interest rates start to get a little bit better. So we've seen some improvement in interest rates in the last couple of days. Even in the last week or so, they've come down just a little bit for us. But what that's done is it's reinvigorated the refinance market. So if you did not refinance, you should absolutely look at the opportunity to refinance right now. My team is here and we're still closing transactions. So the second big thing you need to know is I'm hearing that some of these banks are just not doing mortgages anymore. They're too busy and they're cutting them off. I got no problem with helping you with your refinance. I'm still closing loans in 21 days. I've got a full team of people available to help you with your refinance. But I do believe that this is a window of opportunity. As soon as the stock market recovers, it's making a correction, guys. That's all. It's making a correction. They always do that. When the correction corrects again, they're going to start popping back up again. So, and here's why. The next news is that the federal government has announced, and the European Central Bank has announced, that we are going to experience some inflation. Duh. Who didn't know we were going to start experiencing inflation? Come on, we're giving away trillions of dollars. It's time for inflation. Things are going up. So then segueing into the third big thing you need to know. What's going on with housing? Well, it was reported that we only have a 1.14 months in inventory. A balanced market, 6 months, right? I actually was told that we're closer to 3 weeks worth of inventory. That means there's just not near enough houses on the market to satisfy all the people that want to buy them. And buyers are getting frustrated. They're bidding over ask price. They're waiving appraisal contingencies. They're coming up with much larger earnest money deposits. And then the last thing I want you to tell, this is your bonus, your fourth big thing you need to know, and that is there is some violations being handed out by the CFPB for lenders that are not adhering to the forbearance rules. So if you went into forbearance, you're protected for forbearance. Now, look, you guys hear me say this. If you did not lose your job or your income didn't go down, do not go into forbearance. Because if you did, you could be putting yourself out of taking and using the opportunity to take advantage of low interest rates today. Because if you went into forbearance, you got to be current, and then you got to be current for 3 months. That's the three big things you need to know with the bonus round. Have a great weekend. Bruce Woodburn, CrossCountry Mortgage, the Loan Arranger. Don't forget to tune into my shows Saturday at noon on WDBO and Wednesdays at 6 p.m. on WFLA. Have an awesome weekend and enjoy it. Call the Loan Arranger when you need your next mortgage. Have a great weekend.